Hey guys, let's dig a trench.
This tree's gonna get smushed.
So you might be wondering, Adam, why are you starting a video with a trench that's half dug? Well, I honestly didn't plan to video this for you guys. We were just working on this last Sunday afternoon, and the 580, in typical fashion, blew a hydraulic line. So now that I have a little bit more time, you guys are gonna get to see me finish this trench. This trench is for the gates we've been working on for, I don't know, about 4 years. We're running electric, so we got a new meter base here and a pop-up on the other side of the backhoe that we need to put the trench in for before the utility company come out and lay their line. Got the 12-inch trenching bucket on here. Got to go about 3 feet deep. As my buddies will tell you, I'm not the greatest at keeping a 3-foot depth, so we're probably going to be about 4 the whole way through here, but let's get to it. You guys aren't going to believe this. This backhoe, even though it's as old as it is, actually works better when you have the keys. Let the old girl warm up for a few minutes. I think that'll do it. Man, it's dry. Check me? That's weird. I guess right here still needs cleaned up quite a bit. Okie dokie. Look at that, 7? I think that'll work.
This tree's gonna get smushed.
Okay, that'll do it. All right, I'm ready to move. Well, we got the run through the woods done, and as expected, it's about 4 feet deep pretty much the whole way through here, but we don't know how quickly the utility companies come out here and do this, so it's probably gonna get water in it. It'll have some fall back in, I'm sure, so better to over excavate. The one thing I will say with using a backhoe versus a mini excavator is your positioning is just a little bit more calculated every time, so I kind of over dug the run here. Gonna shoot that angle back that way. May have to come back and clean up what I knocked in here, and then may just sit in the drive and kind of over excavate a square here. Right now, the wire in here is dead, and it runs this way back to the neighbor's house. So we'll be connecting. They'll make it hot from here up to our meter. Yeah, we're about there. Need to rake that out a bit. Oh man.
There's no way that's on camera. But I'm gonna go try to find it on camera. We're practicing for an air show this coming weekend. And that was one of the Blue Angels, and it came, I bet, not more than 100 feet above the tree line. All right, I'm gonna park this low horsepower machine and get the high horsepower machine if I can find it. Got to do a little hand dig in there, clean up the bottom there, and then we'll do the same at the meter up that way and give you guys a shot of this as we get it wrapped up.
All right, guys, I think we pretty well got it done. So I kind of did a little step shelf here. With that backhoe, like I was talking about, you kind of have to over dig. And those Blue Angels have been over multiple times. Can't seem to catch them on camera though. But the trench is done, so now we'll call the utility company, get you guys a shot of this. So as you can see here, we already got line in here coming this way. This is dead right now. They got to hook it up at the other neighbor's house. But then they'll just hook into this and then run up to our meter base. And as expected, the trench is pretty well at least 4 feet most of the way through here, so plenty of depth. Not that this is ever going to be unearthed again. This will have all kinds of growth over it once this is all done. And then down here at this end, I had to hand dig, which was fun, to get the riser in. I hope that's enough cut. I think it probably is. If not, they can cut it and kick it in the bottom. There's plenty of depth. This massive trench dug, it's now time to call the utility company, get them to run their wire, and then we will wire up the columns and call for our meter placement. And we just got to put the openers on this thing. We're ready to rock. The old 580 saves us again. Like I said, we busted a hose last Sunday, but $65 at a local hydraulics shop. We'll take it to get this thing back online and keep rocking. And that thing there, it doesn't seem to have the horsepower it once did. I need to do some maintenance on that maybe. There it is. That's incredible. Well, I don't know that I'm going to catch them again, but at least take this time to document the pretty fall colors out here. Top of the berm's always one of the best places in the fall. Gorgeous. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. Thanks for sticking with me. Hopefully we'll get those gates online here in short order. But if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, come back and see me, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.